Just before we start this video, I just want to say thanks for everybody ordering this tool. I haven't shipped them yet. I'll be doing them in the next few days, simply because we had to do a tiny modification to the side and drill a hole through here, because when you put the two pistons in, the clearances were so tight it was acting like a vacuum and you couldn't pull the bloody pistons out. So JP's got these set up in his machine at the moment. Well, he's got another machine set up, so I'm waiting for it to come free and then he can just pop the holes in. It has to be accurate because it has to be right in the middle of the band. So on my drill press it could be anywhere. So just be patient. I haven't forgotten. I'm not going to take your money back, anything like that. I'm just not going to take your money and not get anything. I'm just waiting for them. So that's my excuse and I'm sticking with it. Right, on with the video. An interesting question came up in the comments last night. And did I replace the oil transfer ring, that's this piece, with an Ashcroft one? Well, the simple answer was no, because I couldn't see the reason why. Now, the oil transfer ring goes on the gearbox here, right, and it goes here, like that. See? That's how it goes. Oops. I'll never get this right. I'll have to put some arrows on this camera. Right, so the purpose of it is to transfer oil from the oil pump through all the little drillings, through the side drillings here, into the shaft, so because the shaft is hollow, and then the oil can come out the outside. Simply. However, it appears that Land Rover made a bit of a boo-boo, according to Ashcroft's. Now, I'll put a link down below, but I couldn't find out why. So I thought, well, I'll take this apart and have a look at it. You know, because before this gearbox goes back, I'm kind of curious now. So, what they were saying was, this is where the oil transfers into the shaft from the aluminium housing. So the pump would go through here, and then the oil would go all the way around here. You know, there's another hole here, simply. But they said the oil can migrate through this bottom because there's a gap in the bottom of the housing here, you see there. They said the oil can get through there. Now, this is a later Suffix L gearbox off a TD5. Now, I didn't know if they'd corrected this problem or not, but if you look on here, can you see there's some little stops here? Where's the other one? Here and here. There, you can probably see them. So the oil can't get round that way. So what the hell are we on about? I don't know. I really don't know. Whether those stops were missing on the early ones, who knows? But it seems that Land Rover have upgraded them to these, made of Tufnol. Now, this is an Ashcroft one. This is one they're trying to, well, it's one they're selling. And the design is completely different. You can see the location pin at the bottom here, which is like the location pin here. So there you go, there's the two. But notice it's a full round circle, if you see what I mean. There's no gap. It's machined at the top with a gap, so oil goes through the top. Now, these are £35 each. They're not giving away, plus shipping. There's no free shipping from Ashcroft. But I wonder why they didn't put it in a kit and include it in the kit if it's such an important piece. Because like I say, I can't understand why this is so bad. I don't know. Anyway, seeing I'm here, and fortunate, I was just by sheer luck that I had one on the shelf. I'm going to fit this. But I can't see what the big deal is. I mean, if push comes to shove, there's nothing to stop you putting some RTV sealer around there and letting it dry and carry on using that one, because dimensionally they're identical. And I've noticed too that Britpart have these on these ones, aftermarket ones, well, aftermarket after Ashcroft's market, but they're making them in Taiwan now, so a little bit cheaper, but obviously this is the original one. But I don't know, there's still a lot of these kicking about. I don't know. Tell me your thoughts, I don't know. But I'll fit this one, because seeing we're here and we've put all a new kit in it and things like this, another 35 quid isn't going to kill it. That's for sure. So I thought I'd just, like I said, I took it to bits out of curiosity. And like I said, there's the casing. They're quite easy to get off and everything was nice and clean, so we didn't really have to worry about it. And then this gearbox can go out. So there you go, that's just a quick video on the oil control ring.